my name is Natalie, aka SM Glam Beauty, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, don't forget to subscribe. If you're not new, welcome back. So for today's video, I'll be doing this look right here using the new Jeffree Star BloodLust BloodLust palette. If you guys are interested on how I came up with this look, then just keep on watching. Hi guys. Okay, so I look hella weird, but it's because I just did one eye first, and then I'll show you guys what I did on my other eye. But this is this eye. I'm living. The first thing that I did is go in with this color called Royal Pain, and I put that all over my lid, well, all over my crease. Then I went in with the shade High King, so I just put it right there. Then I go in with the color Blood Queen, and I focus that on the inner and outer corner because I try to do like a cut crease kind of thing. Okay. And then I really built up the colors, and I really just played around. So I went in with Dungeon, and I put that in the outer corner. I put a little bit on the inner corner too because I was trying to do a halo eye. It just didn't work out for me, so but I'm gonna do the exact same thing that I did on the other eye. Okay, now with my finger I used Betrayal and put it right in the middle, but then that wasn't enough for me, so I went in with Pink Magic, this like glittery thing, looks like that, and I put that right here. After I put that like glittery shade on, I went in with Beauty Sleep in my inner corner. Then I go back in with this and intensify a little bit more. And then I try to marry the two together. And at this point I'm just trying to make them match. And for my bottom lash line, I go in with High King, put that right here, and with Blood Queen right here as well. Okay, so I'm gonna put liner, mascara, and lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back. I look a little crazy, but I'm liking this look. Like I really am. It looks better in person, just saying. That completes this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.